toothbrush. Like, who was just sitting there and said, I need a brush for my teeth, and make it vibrate? Well, Toby, the toothbrush is what's known as an invention. An invention is just something that somebody came up with. So you need to tell me that people thought of things like toothbrushes, doorknobs, cars, and even pillows? Why did they think of things like that? What made them do it? Well, Toby, inventions are made to fill a need. Some of the best inventions in the world have been because people needed them. For example, the toothbrush. It was actually invented by William Addis, who was in jail, and he needed a way to clean his teeth better, so he invented the toothbrush. Now, the first version he made isn't what we see today, but you don't have to be anyone special to make an invention. If you have an idea and you have the courage to make it, you can invent something. So if anybody can invent something, does that mean I can be an inventor? Of course you can be an inventor, Toby. I'm sure you have lots of incredible ideas that are going to be unique to you, so I want to see what you make. Go make an invention and come back when you have one. I want to see what you're coming up with. I made an invention. It's called the Hat Pack. It's like a backpack or a fanny pack, but you wear it on your head instead of on your back. Huh? That's pretty smart. No one's ever thought of that before. Well, Toby, that's definitely something that nobody's thought of, but there might be a reason behind it. There's a couple things an invention should be. It should be useful, it should fill a need, and it should be better than what we already have. We don't want to go backwards in our inventions. Once we invented the electronic phone, we didn't go back to the telegraph. We kept moving forward in our invention. Backpacks and fanny packs work pretty well, but I'm pretty sure wearing it on your head is going to hurt your neck and maybe go off balance, and there's not really a need for it. But don't get discouraged. Lots of ideas have to be thrown around before you find a perfect one. Nothing ever gets invented on the first try, so keep trying and let's see if you can come up with something even more incredible. You know what? You're right. I'll think a little bit more, but I'll be back, and I have a bunch of ideas for inventions. Just you wait, Mr. Dorian. I'll see you later. See you later, Toby, and good luck. Now, before we get to Toby's inventions, let me interrupt the show a little bit. If you're here, it means you're one of three things: a student, a teacher, or a parent. You guys are all awesome, and you're always on the search for new things to learn. And if you're also on this channel, you probably love NUminds by now. So, we're here to give you an awesome offer. We're using the platform Dream See Do to bring you awesome NUminds courses straight to you. In this new time, there's different ways of learning and educating, and we want to be on the forefront of that. So, check it out, and you might find some awesome parent courses, teacher courses you can borrow and use for your own classroom, or courses for students to explore on their own. All of these are packaged, complete, and full of amazing lessons top to bottom. And if you love inventions, check out the 3i course. Thank you guys very much, and let's get back to Toby's inventions. I have a new invention. This is day vision goggles. They let you see in the daytime instead of seeing in the nighttime. What about bear-proof gloves? They're bear-proof because they're too small for bears to wear. But it fits on my hand. Now you don't have to worry about bears stealing your gloves. It's a bit small for me, but you get the idea. I invented invisible money, so you don't have to worry about people seeing it and stealing it. It's invisible, look. Or is this my invisible toilet paper? I forget. You get the idea. This is a chocolate-scented neck pillow. Whenever you're sleeping, you want to have a good dream. So if you smell chocolate, you'll almost definitely dream about chocolate. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. I think this is a great invention.